Okay, how are you everyone? I hope you're enjoy your day, and we're going to have the first meeting of the Kapita Selecta communication. Okay, this is the book that you may read for the deeper understanding of this subject, digital media, the future. And then the objective of this first meeting, I hope that the student will have the ability to describe the communication perspective in the future. So this is the maybe the background of the science communication, that some scholars in the communication already have the theory that technology will change the way we communicate, and the communication technology also is a key factor of a change in society. Maybe we can have a more clear about this definition by see the picture. We can see here that the human civilization already have a change from the beginning, like how we write in a stone, and then we move to today conversation, maybe how we write on the social media using Twitter and so on. So this is an example of how people already change because of the technology. Okay, then we will move to the next part, like new media technologies and the European perspective. This perspective, especially from European, is important for us because we know that European countries have advanced technology, and words already recognize that. We can see here in the video, you can watch it by yourself later. In this video, you will have the knowledge that the scientists, academician, and also industrial, government, and private sector in European country already have the commitment to collaborate in technology, and that's why that their project already have the outcome, like the better society in advanced technology, competitive. And also we will see here the ACT approach, ACTS approach in the European perspective. Okay, in this approach they have 5 levels, and we will discuss about it one by one. The ACTS is developed in 1994. Okay, in the first level, they already have the collaboration of academician and industrial across Europe. They have the focus on restoration, surveillance, and to provide the need of European people. In this project level, we know that they have already a cross culture in their corporation. They also contribute and share the responsibility, which can provide more effective and efficient in the project. They also have leveraging to their skills, so it is much faster rather than we do it alone. And maybe because they already become developing countries, they have good developing, so they have a best sister and developer. Not maybe we will see different in developing countries like Indonesia, but in modern country like European, all of the researchers and also developer usually in better situation. Okay, and then the project cluster level. In this level, they consist of the smaller team. They have tasks to explore the alternative and then try to contribute by creating right technology from their preferred alternative. Okay, and then the third level is domain level. In this level, they try to integrate multimedia, content technology, broadcasting, telecommunication in the project, and they have to provide the laboratories that can be used across the European people. And then we move to the next level, which is the program level. In this level, they have a basic feature, namely conversation mechanism that ensure regular exchange and cross-fertilization among project participants. And the output of the program will be the guidance and recommendation to create and implement in European policy. So this program level, we can help the government to create a program or maybe making a European policy that give better welfare to the European people. Okay, and then the last one is the world level. In this level, they have to ensure that standardization, so their work is already have a high quality, and not only high quality, but they also maintain their continuously a audit. So in this part, we can see that with their advanced technology, they still want to be innovative, so they do like some evaluation, and the result of the evaluation probably can be the input for the next project in their advanced technology. Okay, and then we will move then to the new media technologies in ICTS. There are three kinds. The first one is the representation and coding, new content paradigm, and the new communication paradigm. The first one we can see here are related to the coding. This is the technology that they have improved. And then this is the second one, the content paradigm, from 3D virtual reality television, restoration and the quality evaluation. And the next one in the communication, how they use telepresence, telemanipulation, and telephony and telepresence proposed fitness. Okay, and then next we'll have the IST program. This is the continuous of the ICTS project. It started at 1999. Their objective is to create information society, provide global knowledge, media computing with is reliable and affordable. So that the background. Here is the need of general interest services with advanced technology, and also they need to be innovative and competitive in the global competition. They also have advanced resources. That's why they would be able to have a strategic plan for better European society. And the IST structure, there are 4 key actions to have the future and emerging technology system. The first one is system and services for citizens. The second is new method of work and electronic commerce. The third, multimedia content and tools. Fourth, the essential technologies and infrastructure. And all the key action, the 4 key action will bring to the digital media features. Okay. We have 5 points here and we will discuss it one by one. The first one, digital information and creativity. In this part, we have the application of knowledge, business, publishing, lifestyle, derived information. And this is a picture that show how 3D and virtual reality are already used in the digital information and creativity. Okay, and then second one is the interfaces for new media. Where here have the example of the multi-sensor as the example. We know that in this multi-sensor, it can be placed everywhere in every point. So we will have a very sensitive sensor in an object. Okay, and then for the third one, art design and virtual communities. This is the example of how a virtual art gallery can be one of the example of how we use the technology in a gallery. And it is also an example of a visualization of the library that can have a panoramic 360 degrees of visual. So you can use your mouse to have the atmosphere of the place. You can control it by yourself. And then the fourth one, we have the animation and virtual human. Okay, this is the example of how we have the virtual presence like this. Maybe there's already a telepresence using robot, something like that. And then the last one is the digital media. We can see here that the word already used kind of digital art interface, virtual community, and intelligent avatar. And you can watch the video. And from the video, you will see that it is very interesting to talk with avatar that can give a description about a product or services. That's probably an experience that would be different when you talk to a person. So yeah, that's kind of the future communication and technology. I hope you're enjoying the class and you can try to do the quiz and on LMS to see how deep your understanding about this material. Okay, thank you. And I hope I can have another meeting with all of you. Okay, thank you.